Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Canton, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're waiting to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our competent movers make your long-distance move much simpler. Whether you're moving just one state over or want to move across the nation, we're here to assist you. The right moving services make all the difference, and our experts provide just what you need for your upcoming move. Hiring us guarantees you get access to all the basic long-distance moving services and all the following. Working with a local Illinois moving company may seem unnecessary initially. However, after a close look at the primary advantages of working with a local moving company, you're going to find that it's likely well worth the cost. Any trustworthy moving company will definitely help you save time on your local move. Movers can also ensure you don't have to stress over injury because you don't have to worry about any heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive pros ready to make your local move super easy. You don't need to worry about devoting several days taking care of your new move when you select 3 movers to help. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can handle even a large move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Canton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.